House of Representatives Committee on Public Petitions has raised concerns over alleged $80 million debt owed an indigenous oil firm by the Nigerian Agip Oil Company. The panel gives the chief executives of the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, the Nigerian Agip Oil Company, and others relevant to the probe June 26 to appear before it. National Assembly correspondent Joke Adisa reports.
It's the first sitting this committee is having to deliberate on a petition brought before it by an indigenous oil firm. The firm, the Kun Services Limited, alleges that the National Agip Oil Company, NAOC, owes it more than $80 million. He says many of his contracts were taken off him.
The law says that once you pass the technical bid, you are judged financially and technically competent to do the job. And JKPs have been doing the job for about 7 years. But suddenly Agip said that they are not allowed to participate in the commercial bid, having passed the technical bid.
Apart from the Minister of Petroleum Resources, others invited did not show up. The ministry exonerates itself from the dispute and says it is reaching out to affected agencies to better understand the details.
We are free to all the agencies to furnish us with what really happened, because we don't have, we are not aware of it.
But the NNPCL, NAOC, and other agencies invited did not come, and the committee members were clearly not pleased. Attempts by one of them to give a soft landing to the Chief Executive Officer of NNPCL failed.
We can have a conversation with some of the other members that are supposed to be here. You do all agree that this is a celebratory period for our Muslim brothers. Possibly, most of them are still out of the country.
It has become a recurring decimal that this committee is disrespected by people who are on government payroll.
If you are holding the mandate that Mr. President has given to you on behalf of Nigerians, and this is the house of the people, and these same Nigerians voted all the members in this committee and in this house, this 10th assembly, and this 10th assembly will summon you for how many times and you are not here?
The event that any of those invited failed to cause appearance on the 26th of June, the committee says the Inspector General of Police, Kaode Egbetokun, is put on notice to produce them at his sitting after next Wednesday. Joke Adisa, TVC News.